This is you.
Shaking around.
This is the guy she said you shouldn't worry about. So we're making some oven roasted rosemary and garlic creamer potatoes. And we're gonna match that up with some Costco choice grade, not prime unfortunately, but choice barbecue tri-tip. We're gonna slow cook it, smoke that sumbitch with some hickory and some mesquite. We're gonna throw down some of this here. Let me show you. Boom, victory lane. We're gonna hit you with the all-purpose with some spice. Gonna hit you with that honey chipotle for a little bit of sweetness. It's gonna be bomb. Might hit it with some Montucky cold snack. It's not an ad. That's cold ass snack. Dude, I'm so fucking hungry right now. All sides. Damn. Shit is nuts. Layers. What kind of dick is this? A little bit of oil on there. That was actually done a little bit backwards, but quite all right. Just keep on pressing it in as opposed to rubbing it around. That really lets the spices kind of get in there, infuse with the oil, and also just kind of binds it all together on the meat, really holds it on there. Also, we got another layer of spices coming, so definitely need to get it moistened up. Ooh, shit. The potatoes are going in. It's a little bit of a cheating technique. We'll boil these for like 15 minutes or so. Then we'll pull them out, cut them up, maybe like halves, quarters, depending on the bite. And then we'll coat them in some oil, throw some seasoning on it, pop it in the oven, roast them some bitches. Yeah, some honey chipotle. Dude, fucking smell that.
Smell that all day.
Oh, fuck. Let that set up for a little bit. Oh. Need some snacks. I feel like that's gonna be a montage. Snacks, cold snacks, just fucking sip, sip, sip.
When do you turn on the barbecue?
Funny you ask. Right about now. Hopefully we got all the charcoal we need. That'd be fucked. I'm pretty confident that we do though. We're gonna fill this bad boy up. A good amount of charcoal. That's good, that should get us going. Boom, about halfway. What we wanna do, if you fill it up all the way, all you're gonna do for like just an hour cook, all you're gonna do is just like waste all the charcoal faster. You can hit the right temperatures that you want with a little bit of charcoal, and then you kind of set it in there with some unlit stuff, and then it'll just kind of build up.
I was looking at this shit. What is it?
Tumbleweeds. This is the fire starter. Twisted fire starter. We chiefing out here. Have you ever had the cold snacks from Montucky? I'll join you with the cold snack. Snack attack. This is gonna go in that drip pan out there. And I'm gonna put that on the bottom alongside the charcoal. Then it'll steam on the inside of the kettle and it'll keep it moist while it cooks. Fuck. All right, these coals are ready. I would just grab them with my hands, but I'm not a fucking idiot. Just got back from Montucky. The fuck? Oh fuck, that's hot. Ooh. Taking these corners and turning up. We have to do this because this shit is square or rectangular, and we're sitting it in a round kettle grill. So this is the drip pan. We don't want any drippings getting down in the kettle because the kettle can get pretty hot, and we don't want any flare-ups. We don't want fire on the meat. We're indirect cooking right now. So we have the heat set off to the left, and we're gonna put this in here. Plenty of water. So the coals, the charcoal, all this is going to heat up to a specific temperature in here, and it's going to cause the water to steam. When it steams, it's going to keep the meat nice and juicy and wet. Need some snack. Essentially, it's just going to keep the meat nice and tender. It's not going to dry it out over a long cook. Put this bitch in here. Ow, that hurt. I would just grab them with my hands, but I'm not a fucking idiot.
Ow, that hurt.
Hit my trap door. Boom. We're smoking now. A lot of smoke. We want a lot of smoke flavor in that. It's gonna be fantastic. Cover up. I want to take down this temperature a little bit, so we'll let that set for like 10 minutes. And just to be sure, we're gonna go get our thermometer. We're gonna do some probing. This is gonna take the temperature of the grill. And then this, we can stick right in that tip. Drop that track. Jesus. Now we wait.
Like how long?
Till it's done. Real answer is right at about an hour, but it's more about the temperature. So each one we want to hit about 120 to 123 degrees, then we'll be ready. We'll check on it in a half hour. Let's take a peek under the hood.
Oh.
It's looking mighty nice. Mighty, mighty nice. You know, I think I'm just gonna let it sit there. I'm not even gonna move it. It looks too pretty right now. Shit, I don't think there's anything to do out here then. Oh, there is. Talk all that shit. Stab the fuck out of it. I'm gonna go in on the smaller one. Right into the center right there. Boom. Tip of the probe. We're looking at 90 degrees internal. We're gonna wait until that hits a good solid 120. And then we'll switch over to this one, see if that one's reading about the same. When any one of those hit 120, that's the time. I think that's the time to pull them off, spread out the coals a little bit, and then go for the sear. Yeah. So we're at 121 on this small one already. Ow, bitch! Flashback. I would just grab them with my hands, but I'm not a fucking idiot. I'm a fucking dumbass. That was all bad. What made me think that that probe was not hot at this point in time? Yeah, it's fucking done.
Yeah.
So that's that. Let's look at this. This fucker probably isn't done that yet though. Yeah, that one's got a ways to go. That's okay though, because we have plenty to do over here. These are tongs, forceps. We're just doing a quick sear on these. A little bit late to do it, but should be just fine. We're gonna let that go for about 90 seconds or so. Then we'll flip it, and then we'll be locked in. We can take that one off, cut that one up in 10 minutes. This other one sitting at about 113. We'll let that one go for another 10 or 15 minutes probably, and then it should be up to temp. I'm actually looking at it right now, 114, so yeah, we're not that far. I don't know about you, bro, but I'm fucking excited as shit.
Shit looks dank.
It's fucking dank. I've been waiting to fucking show you guys what's up. Oh, fuck. Let's get this bitch off the grill.